Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Kawasaki Versys 1000 GT. So lovely bike is this one. It is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate. So you've got the full LED headlights here at the front. 10,944 miles from new. On these you get ABS, you get traction, and you also get power modes as well. Those are both which you can adjust. This one has the 3-box proper luggage as it is the GT spec. It's also got this with it too, a Jilly tank bag, so that clips onto there. You've also got the TomTom rider sat nav included with this one too, and of course you get cruise control on there as well. Other things the GT gets, you get the crash protection on the side, you get the Kawasaki spotlights, the power supply, and this one also has the radiator guard on there as well. But all round super good bikes, really comfortable and good at munching up those miles. So if you do fancy it, give us a call and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.